Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to pass the usps exam test and get 99% marks. I just got 98 of virtual assessment test, that means MC474. So if you pass this exam, that means you pass male career, city career assistant, rural career associate. Now I'm going to show how to answer the questions. If you follow all the questions and answers, I'm sure you get 99% marks. So please watch the video first to last until you get the USPS job. The exam is divided by 3 categories. Number 1, work scenario. Number 2, tell us your story. Number 3, describe your approach. Okay viewers, now I'm going to show how to answer all of these questions. Okay, the first question is, a customer asks questions about shipping choice, but you do not know the answer. So you have to select 2 answers. One is most and another one is least. So in these questions, the perfect answer is least is, say you will have answers tomorrow and research the shipping choice after finishing your deliveries. And most is, say you do not know about shipping choice and suggest that you look on the USPS website. The next question is, a new employee is having trouble learning his job, which forces you and others to harder to meet production standards. So most is, tell him how to do his job quicker than better. And the least is, do nothing because his production should improve over time. Number 3, a customer is angry because the nearby post office does not have a product he needs today. The best answer is, least, go get the product at another facility and bring it back to the customer. Most is, suggest an alternate product that may work. Number 4, you have to complete the task before beginning deliveries. While doing the task, you see 2 co-workers having trouble with the job. Least is, ignore them and finish your task. Most is, give them only some quick advice so you can complete your task in time. Number 5, a customer complains to you about another postal employee. Least is, listen to his complaint, apologize, and suggest he talk to the postmaster. Most is, explain that the employee in question is really good worker but was just having a bad day. Number 6, a customer moved but is not receiving his mail because he did not submit a change of address form. He wants you to give him his mail anyway. The list is, tell him there is nothing you can do until he submit a change of address form. Most is, tell him postal policy prohibits you from giving him mail until change of address from his submitted. Next question is, a customer on your route asks how to find something on the USPS website. Most is, explain where to find it and offer to help with any other issues he may have. List is off to help him find it on his computer. Number 8. A customer asks about the status of a package that he delivered days ago. List is show him proof of delivery and ask if it might have been stolen. Most is show him proof of delivery and tell him he is responsible for the package once it is delivered. Number 9. Okay, now tell us your story practice test. Number 1. How much experience do you have working directly with customers? The best answer is 5 to 10 years. Number 2. How would your latest manager rate your punctuality compared to other employee? Best answer is the very best. Next, how many jobs have you left voluntarily in the last 4 years? Best answer is 0. How would your latest manager rate your customer service skills compared to others? The very best. How would your latest manager rate your performance compared to other employees? Very best. How many unexcused absences are acceptable before an employee is disciplined? The best answer is none. How long were you at your latest job before voluntarily leaving? I did not leave my latest job voluntarily. How would your latest manager rate your verbal communication skill? The very best. How would your latest manager rate your motivation to become a top performer? Extremely high. How many unexcused charges did you have per month at your latest job? None. Have you ever left a job voluntarily before getting a new one? No. How would your latest manager rate the quality of your work? The very best. How many times have you been honored for high performance on the job? Best answer is 7 to 10. How many full-time jobs have you left voluntarily within 1 month starting? 0. How would your latest manager rate your attendance compared to other employee? Very best. How many times have you been disciplined for violating a company policy? 0. How many times per year did you have unexcused absence at your latest job? None. What is the longest time you stayed with one employer without voluntarily leaving? Best answer is 5 to 10 years. How many jobs have you left voluntarily in the last 4 years? 0. How long do you hope to work for the USPS? The best answer is more than 10 years. Now, describe your approach practice test. I usually set challenging goals. The answer should be most like me. So, you have to choose which one is best for you. Here is 2 options. Number 1, I usually set challenging goals. The other one is I usually set reasonable goals. So you have to choose I usually set challenging goals, and answer is most like me. Next, I can sometimes tell how other people feel. Another option is I can nearly always tell how other people feel. The answer is most like me, and the option is the second one. Next one, It's okay if I do not achieve my goal if I tried my best. Next, I set very high goals and determined to achieve them. You have to check the last one. So answer is most like me. I accomplish all my job duties. The answer is most like me. You have to take first one. It is easy for me to tell how other people feel. The answer is somewhat like me. These questions you have to check the last one, and the answer is most like me. The last one and answer is most like me. The last one answer is most like me. You have to take the last one. The answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. You have to take first one and answer is somewhat like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. The best answer is somewhat like me. Take the first option and answer most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is somewhat like me. Take second one, answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take second one, answer is most like me. Take second one, answer is most like me. Take second one, answer is somewhat like me. Take first one, answer is somewhat like me. Take first one, answer is somewhat like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take first one, answer is most like me. Take first one, answer is most like me. Take second one, answer is most like me. Take second one, answer is somewhat like me. Take second one, answer is most like me. Take the second and answer is most like me. Take second and answer is somewhat like me. Take second one, answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take second one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is somewhat like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. Take first one and answer is most like me. So this is the last. I hope this video is good for you, and I'm sure if you follow all the question and answer, you get 99 of 100 and you get the job. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe me, so in my next video